Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will talking about class method, but we will talking more and more about class method. So the first of all we have this file CSV. In this file many column, name, age, job title, ID, phone, bank account, and this column of name, column of age, and the other columns. And in this file we have classes of employee, list of employee, and initialization about this file of employee, file of CSV of employees, and we have this line to add each employee in the list. Okay, and we have string str dunder method and repair dunder method. We have get ID and set ID. So now we want to use this file, how to use it. So the first of all I will import CSV, import CSV, and then I will use the class method. Class method, okay then. At class method. Why use the class method? Because class method change behavior of static method to class method. So I will use static method def read CSV file CLS. Don't use self, use CLS because it's a class method. So this is a static method and this is class method. If I put class method there, I will change to CLS and change the behavior, but I don't want to change behavior of set ID. Okay, CLS and file name, and open the file. How to open? With open file name and put it for readable as file CSV reader is equal CSV dot dictionary reader, dict reader. So read this file as a dictionary and put it file. Okay, this is code to make dictionary. So now I will loop for make the loop for row and CS. Okay, now I will print CSV reader to show you the reader. I want to okay, delete all these. I want to show you Python l.py. Okay, don't print anything. Why? Because I want to print anything. Okay, how to print it? Use employee dot read CSV file and put the name of file employees underscore data dot csv employees data dot csv, and then when I print the location of this code in the memory, put it in the list and print again. Okay, use self in the line. Okay, what's the problem? Where is the problem? The line 32. So first of all, I want to loop inside this list. Okay, the loop of the file name. So I will delete all these codes and write for row in CSV reader. Okay, name is equal row of name. Age is equal row of age, and all these data: name, age, job, ID, phone, bank account. So this is row, this is row, this is row. So L row will take it, and then CLS put name, age, job, ID, phone, and bank account. And then print employee dot list employee. Okay, employee dot list employee, and print it. Print empty list. So employee dot read CSV file, and put the name employees dot underscore data CSV, and print again. Print Python. Okay, we have error. So where is the error? Okay, open with file name. Okay, print R. Okay, open with the file name with O. Okay, with open. So with open file name underscore R as file CSV select file row in CLS. So there we have the error in the line 41. Employee dot read CSV I will solve this error and return to you. Okay, I solve it. So this is the final code, and then I will say goodbye.